How to set up Zelle with Bank of America. Let's get started. First, download the Bank of America app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log in using your Bank of America username and the password. Once logged in, tap on the Transfers tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to find the Send Money with Zelle option and tap it. If you are using Zelle for the first time, you will need to enroll by linking your email address or the mobile number to your Bank of America account. Zelle uses either your email address or mobile number to send and receive money. You can choose either to link your email or mobile number. If you are linking your phone number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code to verify your phone number. If you are using email address, Zelle will send you a verification email. Just click the link in the email to confirm. You will be asked to agree with the terms and conditions of Zelle. Read through them and tap Accept to complete the enrollment. And just for that, you have set up Zelle with your Bank of America. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.